Happy cold MLK Day, everybody. Even when I am traveling, I'm bringing you latest market updates and data. Chris Pesek, broker associate at Pesek Properties. Let's take a look at what's happening in Bastrop, Texas in January 2024. As you can tell, guys, just like we're seeing in Austin and the other suburbs, active listings are down a little bit, 243. Again, we're going into 2024 with a lack of inventory, and builder inventory isn't quite ready, able to keep up quite yet. Move-in ready homes in Bastrop, 108. There are only 108 move-in ready homes. That's ones that can be moved into in the next 30 days. Now, some of those active listings that are builder inventory will be done before the end of the first quarter, and those things will become move-in ready homes. But for right now, there's only 108 of those, and there are 88 under contract, which is down a little bit from last month, but still 88 under contract and only 108 that are move-in ready. Average days on market is creeping up still. I expect that to kind of reverse trend here as we get into the spring this year, but average days on market 105. Average sales price continues to go up just like we see across the area. $410,000. Last month it was about 403. So up about a point and a half, almost 2% there. Closed in the last 30 days, 41, which is also up. Now, the interesting thing about being closed in the last 30 days, that's roughly the December 2023 timeline. And if you look back to December 2022 or the year before, there were 7 houses that closed in that timeline. The year before that, 22, and the year before that, 35. So even during the height of the pandemic, there were 35 houses that closed in December in Bastrop. We're at 41 right now. Our demand is pent up, and with the interest rates dropping just a little bit, you can tell that we're having a better start to this year than we have the previous 3 years, which even includes when we had lower interest rates. So again, it's all speculative data at this point if I'm trying to project forward, but it looks like 2024 is going to be a pretty good year for the real estate market in the Austin area. I know you've got people all around the country telling you that we're still in a housing bubble and that the market's going to crash and all this other stuff. But here locally in our market, I'm not seeing it. Could it happen? Yes, absolutely it could happen. Interest rates could go up. We could have some kind of catastrophic thing happen, but people are still moving to Austin. The job market here is still outpacing that in other parts of the country, which is why people are moving to Austin, which is what's driving our housing market. So that's it. January 2024, Bastrop, again, we're seeing just like the rest of the area, we're seeing a shortage of supply. The demand is going up because buyers have a little bit of a pent-up desire. And again, when you've got Tesla and Boring Company and Samsung and all these companies that are moving people here, the demand is going to continue to go up. So we're seeing prices go up. Again, if you've got any questions on your specific neighborhood or another part of Austin that I have not done, reach out to me and let me know. I'm more than happy to do this for you. This is what I do. And by the way, if this kind of content's interesting to you, make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, most importantly, and also LinkedIn, because I'm putting content like this out all the time. All right, guys, we will talk to you next month.